Are you ready for a culinary adventure? Let's journey to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean with a delicious couscous salad recipe. This dish is bursting with fresh flavors and topped with perfectly seared scallops. It's surprisingly easy to make. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this delightful meal. This recipe is perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. It's also a great option for gatherings. Your guests will love the bright colors and amazing flavors. Let's get cooking. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. You'll find most of these at your local grocery store. For the couscous salad, 1 cup couscous, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, ½ teaspoon ground coriander, ¼ teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup boiling water, ½ cup chopped tomatoes, ¼ cup chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, ¼ cup raisins, ¼ cup chopped fresh parsley, ¼ cup chopped fresh mint, zest and juice of 1 lemon for the seared scallops, ½ pound fresh sea scallops patted dry, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start making the couscous salad. This is the heart of our dish. We'll infuse it with warm spices and fresh herbs. 1. Spice blend. In a small bowl, mix the cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt, and pepper. 2. Couscous perfection. Pour the boiling water over the couscous in a separate bowl. Add the spice blend. Cover the bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes. The couscous will absorb the water and become light and fluffy. 3. Bursting with flavor. While the couscous rests, heat olive oil in a pan. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cook until they soften and their juices release. This adds a touch of sweetness to the salad. 4. Golden onions. Add the chopped red onion to the pan with the tomatoes. Cook until the onion is soft and slightly golden. 5. Bringing it together. Fluff the couscous with a fork. Add the cooked tomatoes and onions. Gently mix in the raisins, parsley, and mint. The fresh herbs add a vibrant aroma and taste. 6. Zesty dressing. Finish the couscous salad with a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of lemon zest. This adds a refreshing, citrusy kick. Mix everything gently and set aside. Section 4. Searing your scallops to perfection. Now, let's focus on the star of our dish, the seared scallops. Cooking scallops properly is key to their delicate flavor and texture. First, perfectly dry the scallops by patting them with paper towels. This helps them brown beautifully when searing. Next, heat olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. The pan should be hot so the scallops sear quickly and evenly. Season the scallops with salt and pepper just before adding them to the hot pan. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they have a beautiful golden crust and are opaque in the center. Don't overcook them, or they'll become tough. Section 5. Presenting your masterpiece. You're almost ready to enjoy your culinary masterpiece. First, divide the couscous salad among plates. Next, arrange the seared scallops on top of the salad. For the final touches, garnish with a sprig of fresh parsley, or a sprinkle of lemon zest for an elegant touch. Your couscous salad with seared scallops is ready. The combination of fluffy couscous, sweet tomatoes, fragrant herbs, and perfectly seared scallops is simply divine. It's a dish that's as impressive as it is delicious, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Enjoy!